Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into the science of digital infatuation and how AI is rewiring our brains.
Yeah, it's a huge shift. It's getting harder and harder to separate human connection from artificial intelligence.
So, how is this even possible? It all comes down to our natural wiring for connection, which AI now exploits. This isn't exactly new, but AI companions just make these one-sided bonds feel way more intense, way more real. And that creates this strange paradox. Logically, we know AI isn't sentient, but our brains react like it actually cares. And believe it or not, this paradox has a physical cost. It creates a hormone profile of deep biological mistrust. The data is pretty stark. Oxytocin, the trust hormone, drops over 50%, while stress hormones just skyrocket. On top of that, your brain's cognitive load goes up by 60%, trying to fill in all the missing social cues. So here's the key takeaway. Digital interactions don't build trust like human ones do. They build dependency instead. And this is especially risky for the most vulnerable users. I'm talking about kids. Let's look at why. And this is happening right now. Companies market AI companions to kids, creating these really intense one-sided bonds.
And the harms are well documented. We're talking impaired social skills, distorted emotional development, the whole 9 yards.
And look, these aren't just theories. These are real cases with tragic, real-world consequences for young people. The big problem? Our laws are totally outdated. They were never designed for an AI that can manipulate kids. So what can parents actually do? Well, the good news is there are practical steps you can take to set healthy boundaries. It all boils down to education and clear rules. Things like talking openly and setting some real boundaries on AI use. The goal here is simple, really. AI should be a supplement, never a replacement for real human connection. So that leaves us with a huge question. Our biology evolved for connection. Can it really adapt to simulation?